Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the second part of our November 2021 MCQ video जिसमें हम लोग 16th से लेके 30th नवंबर तक जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स हुए हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे एंड मैं आपको कुछ असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस भी दूंगा जिनको आप प्लीज़ अटेम्प्ट करिएगा. And before we jump into the video, I want to say that this video should have come like really early and मैं काफ़ी late हो गया. But really sorry guys, was really busy with some other work. But I'll try to be as regular as possible. So with that, I'll jump straight into this video. The first question for today: which Indian state will soon have the country's first museum dedicated to Earth, aptly named the Indian Museum of Earth? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Uttar Pradesh. UP will have this Museum of Earth, and it will have collections from paleosciences, geology, tectonics, earth processes, and other events related to the geology of Earth. Next is Indian Navy participated with Singapore and Dash in the trilateral maritime exercise called CMAT. So friends, here the correct answer is A, Thailand. Thailand, India and Singapore के बीच में ये exercise हुई थी. And it occurred from 15th to 16th November in the Andaman Sea. And Indian naval ship INS Karmuk participated in this third edition of CMAT exercise. Next, which Indian state ranks first in the country in terms of establishment of MSME units? किस प्रदेश में सबसे ज़्यादा MSME की यूनिट बनाए गए? So here the correct answer is C, उत्तर प्रदेश. So friends, ये हम किस टाइम फ्रेम की बात कर रहे हैं? हम previous 4 years की बात कर रहे हैं, last 4 years. So a total of close to 90 lakh units were registered in Uttar Pradesh, and which is around 14.2% of all the MSME registered in India. और यहाँ पर यूपी में कितनी employment generate हुई? It gave employment to around 1.5 crore people, and the government also provided loans to 80 lakh MSME units in the last 4 years in Uttar Pradesh. I hope this is clear. We'll move forward. Which Asian country successfully launched the 41st scientific expedition to Antarctica recently? Friends, here the correct answer is D, India. India ने recently 41st scientific expedition को Antarctica पर भेजा है. And under this program, Indian scientists are trying to understand the biological, atmospheric, chemical, medical, earth sciences that are observed and studied by India in Antarctica. And the very first mission या जो contingent launch किया गया था इंडिया में, इंडिया से एंटार्क्टिका के लिए, it was done in 1981. And after we have realized the importance of Antarctica in terms of research in scientific fields. According to a new report by research arm of consultants McKinsey and Company, which country became the richest nation in the world? Another important question guys. Here the correct answer is D, China. So इस report को अगर हम closely देखें, so in the last 20 years, China accounted for almost 1/3 of the increase in the global wealth. It skyrocketed to $120 trillion from a mere $7 trillion in 2000. So 2021 की अगर हम बात करें तो it has almost grown like multiple times. It's like $120 trillion now when compared to 7 trillion in 2000. जबकि अगर हम यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स जो पहले फर्स्ट नंबर पे होता था, वेल्दीएस्ट नेशन होता था, इट इंक्रीज टू 90 ट्रिलियंस एंड इट हैज़ जस्ट डबल्ड इन द 20 years. सो इट वॉज क्लोज टू $45 trillion एंड नाउ इट इज़ $90 trillion. सो इसलिए चाइना इज़ द मोस्ट, इट इज़ द रिचेस्ट नेशन इन द वर्ल्ड नाउ. Next, which European country has ordered a change to the color in its national flag? So there was a subtle change in the color of the blue color which is present on the flag of France. So here the correct answer is B, France. The president of France, Emmanuel Macron, switched to using darker navy blue on the official French flag, and it replaced the previous brighter shade. So अब एक ज़्यादा darker blue shade का use करेंगे वो लोग in their national flag. And Mr. Macron wanted to bring back the navy blue flag because it is a symbol of French Revolution in Europe. The report said. Next, who has been appointed as the chairman of the ICC Men's Cricket Committee, the game's governing body? Friends, here the correct answer is A, Sourav Ganguly. And Sourav Ganguly is also the president of BCCI, and he took over the position of the chairman of ICC Men's Cricket Committee from Anil Kumble. So Anil Kumble was on this committee, heading this committee since 2012, and after like him, when he stepped down, Saurav Ganguly took that post. Next, exercise Shakti was recently conducted between India and which of these countries' military forces? Friends, here the correct answer is A, France. So between France and India, Shakti 2021 took place. And this was the 6th edition of this Indo-French joint military exercise, and it commenced at the military school of Draguignan, France. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following has secured the first position among 29 states and union territories in Indian Police Foundation's list of Smart Policing Index? किस स्टेट की पुलिस को नंबर 1 पोजीशन मिली है इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्मार्ट पुलिसिंग इंडेक्स ऑफ IPF, इंडियन पुलिस फाउंडेशन? फ्रेंड्स, हियर द करेक्ट आंसर सी, आंध्र प्रदेश. नाउ अभी रैंकिंग किस बेसिस पे दी जाती है वो देखते हैं. सो द पर्पस ऑफ दिस सर्वे इज टू गैदर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिटीजन्स perception about the impact of smart policing initiative and also to gauge public perception of the quality of policing in India. कि हमारे पुलिसिंग की क्या क्वालिटी है उसको भी ये कंसिडर करते हैं इस रैंकिंग में, और जनरल पब्लिक जो है उनको कितना भरोसा है पुलिस पे उसको भी ये सर्वे में मेजर किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज which of the following cities was adjudged the cleanest city of India in the Swachh Sarvekshan Awards of 2021? Friends, here the correct answer is A, Indore. This is a very important question because Indore ने 5th time in a row ये award जीता है. So second and the third position goes to Surat and Vijayawada. और वाराणसी को भी एक award मिला है. It has been adjudged as the cleanest Ganga town in the country. Which country has been ranked top out of 9 countries in pet care by a new state of pet homelessness index? अभी इंडेक्स कौन जारी करता है ये हम देखेंगे PTN में. हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, जर्मनी. जर्मनी इज द हाईएस्ट रैंक्ड और द हाईएस्ट स्कोरिंग कंट्री इन टर्म्स ऑफ पेट केयर, कि अपने पेट्स की कैसे वहाँ पे केयर हो रही है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So PTN, India has been ranked last out of these 9 countries in pet care by new state of pet homelessness index, which is developed by American pet care multinational firm Mars Pet Care in partnership with leading animal welfare experts. So not a very good thing for us because out of these 9 we are on the bottom position. और अगर कुछ और important facts देखने हैं आपको, so almost 91 lakh stray cats हैं इंडिया में and 6.2 crore stray dogs. So their situation could be improved. Alright. Next, who has been recently appointed as the permanent CEO of International Cricket Council ICC? So friends, पहले जो थे वो थे मनु सोनी and he has been he stepped down and now Geoff Allardyce. He's an Australian person. He has took over as the permanent CEO of ICC. So ICC, after serving the role of an interim basis, so he also served as an interim CEO, and after 8 months he has been declared as the permanent CEO of ICC. So as I told you, Manu Soni stepped down this position in July 2021. Next, name the author of the book Indian Innings, The Journey of Indian Cricket from 1947. Friends, here the correct answer is T, Ayaz Memon, who is a very famous journalist. And this book contains an anthology of Indian cricket and marked several insights of Indian cricket for the last 70 years. Next is the 37th edition of Coordinated Patrol CORPAT was held in the Indian Ocean recently between Indian Navy and which other country's Navy? Friends, here the correct answer is A, Indonesia. So Indonesia की Navy के साथ ये CORPAT Patrol जिसका 37th edition अभी conclude हुआ है. So INS Khanjar and Donier Maritime Patrol aircraft was participating in CORPAT, and Indonesia की तरफ से they had their ship KRI Sultan Thala Saifuddin 376 was participating from Indonesia. Name the Nobel Laureate who authored the book Cooking to Save Your Life. Friends, here the correct answer is D, Abhijit Banerjee. So Abhijit Banerjee won the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2019 if I'm not wrong. And not many know that he is also he likes to cook. So he takes us through the recipes. He has delighted his friends and colleagues and students in his book. So he has given many recipes. So now friends, we are on the assignment part of the video. आप मुझे इन दोनों questions का आंसर ज़रूर बताइए. First is, who was awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award 2021 by PWF? Last one, which country is world's largest recipient of remittances एज पर वर्ल्ड्स बैंक रेमिटेंसेस प्राइस वर्ल्ड बाइड डेटाबेस। सो दोनों का आंसर आप मुझे कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा। So with that friends, we come to an end to this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and if the video was helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on current affairs, business awareness, business GK and static GK, etc. So I'll see you again next time. Until then, bye bye, and please take care.